Hello friends, welcome. Today we are going to learn the types of the artificial neural networks. So our main topics today we will cover the types of the artificial neural networks. Under this we will cover the feed forward artificial neural network and the feed backward artificial neural networks. So these are the types of the artificial neural network: feed forward artificial neural network and the feedback artificial neural network. First of all, we will see what is feed forward artificial neural network. In this artificial neural network, information flow is unidirectional. So information is flowing only in the one direction, and a unit will send the information to other unit from which it does not receive any information. There are no feedback loops and they are used in the pattern generation, recognition and the classification. So basically this feed forward artificial neural network is used in the pattern generation, recognition and the classification, and it has no feedback loops. And also one unit is sending the information to other unit without receiving any information. They have the fixed input and the outputs. In the feed forward artificial neural network we have already fixed inputs and the outputs. So you can see here, this is a diagram of the artificial neural network. So there are some inputs and it will lead to the outputs. So each and every unit is sending the information to other unit, and in this there is no feedback loops. In this there is no feedback loops as the input is gone to this and it is not sending any output to this node again. So there is no feedback loops are there in the artificial neural network, and there is fixed input and the outputs. Next we will see what is feedback artificial neural network. In this you will see the feedback loops and they are used in the content addressable memories. So here you can see this is sending the input to this unit, and then suppose this is 0, this is 1 and this is 2, and then 1 is sending the input to this 2 and then 2 is sending the feedback to this 0. So there is a feedback loops in the feedback artificial neural networks. So they require the memory for storing the results. They are used in the content addressable memories. Thank you friends. If you like my video, please like, share, subscribe my channel, and if you have any query you can ask in the comment section. Thank you.